Welcome to the channel. Today let's have a quick look at CSL, whether CSL is looking good to buy with current price levels. If you are following my channel, I have done, like I did CSL maybe a few months back. These notes are from that video. If you like, you can have a look, but I'll go through quickly those notes again. So CSL is one of the best stocks in the ASX. So this is weekly chart. You can see I put hopefully you can see this is that long-term trend line. So this stock is on a long-term uptrend since 2019, sorry, 2016 December. It was on an uptrend. Then this, like, what happened is, like, it goes above the long-term uptrend, come back, touch it, then go back up, come down, go down here this section, then up again, down. Now it is on down side, like downwards trend. So you can see it sort of almost touched this long-term trend here and came down. And the other thing is, if you can see these marks here, so this stock has a tendency to drop 20-30%, then go on a big uptrend, again drop, then go up, or like go up on long term, like long time. So here this is around 2000, this drop, I'll make it big, you can see. So this is this drop, so it's 2017, dropped about 14%, then it has gone 57 bars, so it's a weekly chart, so 57 weeks on an uptrend to this peak, and it has gained 83%. Then from that top it has dropped again roughly about 24-25%. Then it has gone up again from that bottom. You can see from that bottom to this top another 92%. It has taken 60 bars, so 60 weeks to like go out to the top. Then this is this the COVID crash, so it crashed on COVID, another 26%. So it roughly dropped about 20 to 25 sort of a percent, then roughly go about, so it has gone 83% here, 92%. So it has like go down 20 to 25%, then go up excess of 80. So that's my mark. Then on that assumption, because it has now dropped 26% to this line, but it has a good support here on this line as well, so that drop is, that's my marker, let's say from COVID crash to that second line, or this line, it's 22%, to this line it's 26%. So recently what has happened is, as you can see, after COVID crash, it tried to go up, couldn't go up, then sort of going sideways now for, let's have a look. So after this drop, it's going sideways for 67 bars, so 67, this is a weekly chart, 67 weeks. So it is going sideways for long now. In during that sideways movement, you can see there's a support level here around 267. It has supported here, gone up, supported again here, try to go up, then drop through that support. That time it has been supported from that COVID support level, which is 242, around that mark. Then it has pushed up that previous support and go up again, try to go up and hit resistance. So this share has a resistance around, let's say, from 332 to 300. So if I mark like in my box, so it has a resistance around here, sort of here. So it is struggling to go up this resistance. That's the issue with this stock recently, that's why it's going sideways. But these two support levels has held or hold up to now. So one support level is here, as you can see, this support level, and the other support level is here. So those two support levels has acted as support for this stock so far. So when I did the previous video, what I was predicting this stock will do is, price target was, because this, as I showed you before, it has tendency to go up, like this time 80%, this time 92%. So I was predicting go 80% roughly, and I put the price target as 440. By looking at the history, this is a possibility, because this stock can go to above 80% after it dropped more than 20%. So it has been the case with this stock for years. Like if you look at the history, that's what this stock has done. So that's how that price target of 440 comes. But in short term, it is facing some resistance in this area. I created this box, that's the resistance area. So the first step, this stock now it is on 3 weeks going on a downtrend. So the first step is you need to see whether this level will act as a support level, or if it go beyond, this is the level it should be supported. If it drops down that level, yeah, you never know. So I personally, now this has see my previous support resistance box, so it has come to that inside that box. So I personally, I hold this stock in my portfolio, so I have to make that disclaimer. But now again, this looks interesting again, because it has dropped to this support resistance box. So since it is a good stock, and you hope most of the people keep this for their long-term portfolio, this area is a very good area or interesting area to buy if you want to hold this stock for long term, because it's now dropping. Only thing you have to be clear, or you have to be mindful, is this support area and this support area. If you want, you can buy this now, expecting, you never know, like expecting or knowingly it can go up to here, another drop about 10%. Knowingly, if you are comfortable with that, you can buy. Or it may drop to this level, support above here 2%. But if it drops below, I would get out of it and see what will happen, because after this support area, next support sort of around this resistance here, not that far from the previous, but you never know, or otherwise it may come all the way here. So I personally, if let's make a plan, if you want to buy this, it looks good at this stage, but for the long term, this is a stock for the long term portfolio. So if you are willing to buy, you can buy now because it has dropped, it has come to this support box which I have created. You can buy it knowingly it can go up to this level or it can go up to this level, but if it falls below this level, I would get out of this stock since we never know how far it will go. Yeah, at this stage that's my plan for this stock. I personally hold this stock in my portfolio, but I am just thinking to buy more at this level. Knowingly it can go up to here, but if it goes beyond this one, I probably will sell some of my shares because I don't want to lose more. Yeah, that's my plan. But if you are willing to buy, or if you're planning to buy CSL, this may be a good time to buy. Other thing I will show, this is like uh, volume thing shown in TradingView. I use the TradingView, so you can see most of the volume traded is around this area and this next area. So lot of trades has happened in that area. If I make it a bit bigger, you can see. So a lot of buying selling has happened in around this 283 mark and one above this price bracket and the one below this price bracket. So as I told you, like it's coming into that interesting area which a lot of people want to buy, sort of area. Yeah, so CSL looks good if you want to buy it for long term. Knowingly it can drop further up to this support area. So yeah, it's up to you whether you want to buy it now or you wait another 1 or 2 weeks to see what happens. Probably then you can buy it lower if it comes further down, or if it comes further down here you can buy it lower. Yeah, have a look. For me it looks interesting at these price levels, if you are buying this stock for your long-term portfolio. Thanks. If you like this video and know my channel, please subscribe and please give it a like. That will help my channel a lot. Thanks.